Qatar, a small country in the UAE Federation, has over 3,000 restaurants, and finding the best ones would take you 300 hours. To save you time and effort, Vasco will show you the 8 best restaurants where you can have an unforgettable dining experience. Number 1. Lamar Doha. Lamar Doha is a restaurant that overlooks the Arabian Gulf and offers a wide variety of seafood and other Arabic dishes. Enjoy the perfect ceviche, fresh seafood, or charcoal grilled meats on the terrace while taking in the views of the beach and the exquisite skyline of Doha. The dishes on the menu, handpicked by Gaston Acurio, are among the most memorable you'll have in Doha because they showcase the pinnacle of Peruvian cuisine. The restaurant has a spacious and elegant dining area. The menu of the Lamar Doha restaurant features a wide variety of seafood and meat dishes. The restaurant also offers a wide variety of vegetarian and vegan dishes. Lamar Doha is perfect whether you're looking for a Peruvian delight or Arabian bites. Number 2. Zengo Doha. Zengo is the highest restaurant in Qatar, residing on the 61st floor of Kempinski Residences. It has a sleek and modern interior with an open kitchen. The tastes on the menu come from the historical spice routes that stretched from Asia to the Far East. Chef Richard Sandoval inspires the flavors of Zengo. Sushi, sashimi, delicate curries, tasty dinners, and wok meals are some authentic Pan-Asian cuisines that can be found here, along with other delicious options. Everything is prepared to the highest standard, and beverages with an Asian flavor are offered as the ideal complement to this upmarket dining experience. The menu features a variety of small plates perfect for sharing and larger entrees with an extensive wine and cocktail menu. Number 3. Yasmin Palace. The Yasmin Palace restaurant is a hidden gem in Doha. Tucked away in a secluded corner of the city, this restaurant offers a truly unique dining experience. The restaurant is located in a grand palace, and the interior is decorated with beautiful chandeliers and intricate paintings. The menu features a variety of traditional Qatar dishes and a few international favorites. The atmosphere is cozy and intimate, and the service is top-notch. Whether you are looking for a romantic night out or fine dining with your family, the Yasmin Palace restaurant is sure to please you. Number 4. Koya Doha. Koya is a modern Peruvian restaurant that features a sleek and stylish interior. With its sea-facing terrace, exhilarating views, and a wide-ranging list of cocktails and spirits, Koya is the premier place to head for dinner. This elite restaurant, which also has outposts in Monte Carlo, Paris, Mykonos, and London, where it has been honored with many accolades, has found a suitable location in the center of Doha's West Bay. You won't forget the spectacular explosion of fresh flavors and nutritious food created by contemporary cuisines infused with ingredients from Spain, Japan, and China. The restaurant also has an extensive wine list, a cocktail menu, and surprisingly in-house DJ artists. Whether you're looking for a light snack or a full-blown meal, Koya is perfect for satisfying your taste buds. Number 5. Nobu. Nobu, the world-renowned Japanese restaurant, has finally arrived in Qatar. This much-anticipated restaurant is located in the luxurious Four Seasons Hotel in Doha and offers guests a truly unique dining experience. The restaurant is headed by world-famous chef Nobu Matsuhisa and features an exquisite Japanese cuisine menu with a modern twist. The sleek and modern interior provides the perfect setting for a sophisticated night out, while the attentive and professional staff are on hand to ensure that your dining experience is truly unforgettable. Nobu is perfect whether you're looking for an intimate dining experience or a night out with friends. Number 6. 360 Restaurant. Qatar's 360 Restaurant on the 47th floor of the Torch Doha offers a lively and distinctive dining experience. This skyscraper featured the Asian Games' symbolic flame in 2006. The building resembled a torch, and its flame was the highest in Olympic history. The Torch Doha became a luxury hotel with panoramic views. 360 is a revolving restaurant within a culinary paradise, serving up specialty dishes and a la carte selections from the Mediterranean menu. It's the only one of its kind in Qatar. You won't even notice the restaurant turning as you eat, but each table offers a new perspective of Qatar's unmatchable world-class skyline. Number 7. Bibo Doha. In the heart of Qatar's capital, Doha sits Bibo, a restaurant that's a perfect blend of modern and traditional cuisine. Its chic and modern interior offers an escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. World-renowned chef Andy Garcia leads the Bibo, and the menu is a mix of Andy's classic dishes and new, inventive ones inspired by Qatar's rich culture. You can taste various international dishes, each more mouth-watering than the last. From starters to main courses to desserts, there's something for everyone at Bibo. And to top it all off, the restaurant has an extensive wine list, making it the perfect place to unwind and enjoy a meal with friends. Whether you're looking for a quick bite or a leisurely meal, Bibo is the perfect spot to experience the best of Qatar's food and culture. Number 8. Toro Toro. Once you step out of the car, 2 charging bulls will be waiting to greet you at the doors, and as you step inside Toro Toro, you're transported to a unique dining arena. The restaurant has a warm and inviting atmosphere with shiny golden pearls on the ceiling and luxury exposed walls. The Latin music playing in the background sets the perfect mood for a night of dining and drinking. The restaurant is inspired by the traditional cuisine of South America and offers a unique dining experience with a focus on fresh, local ingredients. The menu offers a selection of signature cocktails and a choice of snacks and meals. Whether you're looking for a casual meal with friends or a romantic dinner for 2, Toro Toro is the perfect place. Simply clicking on this video will allow you to delve deeper into the fascinating aspects of Qatari culture and history.